In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your server region here in Rocket League so that you can matchmake anywhere. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, a lot of people think that you can actually change your region in settings in the tournament schedule region, but that actually only affects tournaments and it does not change your matchmaking region. The way to actually do this is from the play menu. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select play just like so. And once you go ahead and get in this play menu, select any playlist. For example, I'm just going to hit casual real quick, and then you're going to see a little regions tab just like so. It's going to be right next to this little arenas tab. So select regions, and you can see a list of all of these different, regions that you can go ahead and list in. For example, US East, US Central, West, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and so much more. Essentially, you could check multiple regions and uncheck regions, or, just do the recommended one as well. It really is completely up to you. But if you live in the Midwest, you'd want to select something like US East or, US West. I'm in Texas, so I usually like to keep myself on Central. But if you obviously go ahead and want to matchmake somewhere else, you could set something like Europe, Middle East, Asia. But if you do choose a region far away from you, you can expect to have higher ping and you may experience lag. Your movements may also feel delayed and it might be harder to compete as well. So while you can matchmake anywhere in the world, it usually is best to just choose regions that are close to you for smoother gameplay. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.